The app's acting weird. I'll just stop it and restart it.
You just killed the running app.
And now I restart it and wait, it's already back.
I didn't touch it.
Stay, Ged.
It's back again.
Something is undoing me.
Something is watching that app, and it refuses to let it stay dead. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what that something is, and how it heals your app, updates it with zero downtime, and grows it on its own. 3 tricks, 1 idea. Orchestration. This is sticks it out.
Ghost in the machine.
The thing watching your app is called an orchestrator. Here's its entire personality. It has 1 rule, and it never sleeps.
1 rule. I respect that.
Picture a call center. 10 desks, 1 floor manager. His rule, keep exactly 10 agents on the phones. Not hire 10 people. Keep 10 on the phones. Always.
Same thing.
It is very much not the same thing. And that gap is the whole video. All day he runs 1 loop. Look at how many are on the phones, compare it to 10, fix the difference. Look, compare, fix. Forever.
That's the most boring job on earth.
It's the most important one. The second reality drifts from the number he acts. So, what happens the moment one of them dies? An agent rage quits mid-call, walks out. Now 9 are on the phones. The manager wanted 10.
So he calls the guy and begs him to come back?
No, he doesn't beg the one who left. He grabs a fresh, identical agent and drops them in the seat. Back to 10. He doesn't even remember the old one's name.
That's cold.
That's the trick. The orchestrator doesn't fix broken copies of your app. It replaces them. Your app isn't a pet it nurses back to health. It's cattle. One gets sick, another takes its place.
So it always tosses the sick one out?
Depends on the restart policy you set. On always, it first tries to revive the same copy right where it sits, restart it in place. But if that copy keeps dying or the machine under it is gone, it stops reviving and schedules a fresh one somewhere else. Restart in place when it can, replace when it can.
So when I killed the app,
You quit 1 agent. The manager refilled the seat before you finished being smug. That's why it felt haunted. It wasn't a ghost, it was a loop. The count is always right. Which raises a problem. What if you want a new version of every agent? New software rolls out. Every agent needs the update. How do you do it?
easy. Everyone off the phones, install it, everyone back on. Thanks me later.
But during the upgrade time, 0 agents are on the phones. Every caller hits a deadline. That's an outage, and you built it on purpose.
I have done that.
So the manager goes 1 desk at a time. Pull 1 agent, update them, put them back. Then the next. 9 are always answering while 1 updates.
Slower though.
Nobody notices, which is the entire point. But there's a catch. When does he let the new agent take real calls?
When they sit down?
When they pass 1 test call. The new agent has to prove they can actually answer before he pulls the next old one off the phones. That check is called a readiness check. New copy comes up, proves it works, then it gets traffic.
And if the new guy fails the test?
The old one stays on the phones, nobody got hurt. And the rollout just freezes right there. No more old agents get pulled until the new one finally passes. But it won't undo itself back to the old version. Someone has to notice and call it off. So a bad update stalls halfway instead of taking the whole floor down. Now you can change what's running and nobody feels it. But we keep saying 10. Who said 10? What about lunchtime? It's noon. The phones light up. 50 callers in the queue, 10 agents. Everyone waits.
Manager panics.
The manager doesn't panic. The rule was never really 10. The rule is enough for the queue. 10 was just enough at 9 a.m. So the number itself moves. Queue climbs, he seats more agents. 40 on the phones.
Then keep 40 forever. Solve.
It's 3 a.m. 2 people are calling. You're paying 40 agents to watch silent phones. In the cloud, every idle agent is money on fire.
So send them home.
Now you're getting it. Quiet, scale down. Busy, scale up. The desired number tracks the real load, up and down. That's autoscaling. Same loop, it just changed the target it's chasing.
So the second the queue jumps, boom, 40?
Not in reality. He checks the queue on a timer every few seconds, not every instant. And 1 spike won't move him. The queue has to stay high long enough to count. He scales up fast, but scales down slow, a cooldown. So a 2-minute breather doesn't send everyone home right before the next rush.
Set it to 1,000 to be safe.
Then you get a bill for 1,000. Safe and broke. Here's the whole thing on one screen. An orchestrator has a desired state, what you want running. It watches the actual state, what is running, and it runs one loop forever. Compare, fix the gap, repeat. Self-healing is that loop refilling what died. Zero-downtime is that loop changing the target one copy at a time. Autoscaling is that loop letting the target move with load. One loop, 3 tricks. The famous one is called Kubernetes, but every orchestrator runs this same loop. This week, look at your own deploys. When your app dies at 2 a.m., does something refill the seat? Or is that something you? Here's the part that fools even seniors. Still running is not the same as working. Think of a manager checking on a phone agent using 2 questions. Is the agent at their desk? The liveness test. And can they take a call right now? The readiness test. The trap happens when a bad agent sits at their desk and plugs in the phone, but only speaks nonsense to customers. Because they are technically at their desk, the system marks them as alive and never replaces them, leaving customers with terrible service. Green light, but dead app. Situation where the software looks healthy on paper, but gives users broken results, proving that an automated loop only checks the exact parameters you tell it to check.
So if I set my desired state to be rich, the loop will refill my bank account whenever it drops below 10.
That's not how it is. Best of luck with your plan. If you're wondering how all 10 copies find each other and split the traffic between them, that's load balancing. This has been Sticks It Out. Don't let your brain deploy on a Friday.